The issue between Mr. Mabarit Dlamini and Mr. Pondo Mota has been going on for a while. Mr. Mabarit Dlamini appeared on this channel stating that it is not true that he sent people to shoot Mr. Pondo. This morning, the fence was found to be cut off. We spoke to Mr. George Mota, who is Mr. Pondo's brother, who stated that they suspect it is Mr. Mabarit Dlamini who cut the fence.
Asinaqiniswa lakhona ngoba kwento ebusuku umonakalo lo endekala. Siyamangela nje ukuthi sesizawuthini. Walifete manathi into lebantu lesethi bojujuwe nje la. Kuthi satibhadala ngani? Asathi.
Sesibona ungathi besenisikile la kunalabanye ngentasi bikhona besenibabekile.
Khona bese sibabekile ngabo nje lezi sabafinisela.
Oh, nesibongo.
Ngeliwa kaMothi.
Emvulane kwentekani la sosichazele nje unabe ukuthi kwentekani.
Lapha sihlushwa ngilo babele wakaDlamini lo lapha. Ngikuthi nje ngeke ngimbite igama ngoba ngiyamhlonipha. Uyasihlukubeta kakhulu ngalensimo. Lensimo lena kwakhulunywa yajujwa emphakathini. Yaphinde futhi yajujwa eTulu. Kodwa lo baba solo uphikelele lapha. Sesize sayichitha lensimo sathi kungcono lokuthi silahle lensimo etikwa lendlela esihlukubeteka ngayo. Ngilo babe loya. Kunabantwana laba mele labakhako la. Kodwa ngilapho uphethe uthi bajubela labo darati.
Nilahla njani ke?
Sasiyisakata sinika abantu.
Oh.
Yebo. Ngale ngenxa yakhe lo babe.
Indaba ukuthi nanibike emaphoyiseni anisidakala.
Asisidakali vele. Mbamba asisidakali. Kodwa uma yena kuya yena ayokhala esigodweni ngathi basukumela eTulu. Uyasitakala yena. Manje sele angade ukuthi asende njani ngoba phela esigodweni ngilapho kubalekela khona wonke umuntu kodwa nje thina sisitakele thina bakaMotha mayelana nalo mhlabathi lo.
This issue is said to have been reported to the police. Mr. Mabarit Dlamini has denied cutting the fence, stating that he knows that there is a court order at that place and not supposed to be touching anything. This report was compiled by Justice Dlamini and Gary Carlos in Matapa.